So, hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Have a good day! Kumusta ang araw nyo? Kumusta ang Sunday nyo guys? Have fun sa lahat ng may outing today. And keep safe kayo palagi dyan guys. So, ito ang update natin guys for today's video. Ayun guys. Ito lang tayo sa bahay. Ayun, full time tayo ngayon tendera. Ayun, ito yung update natin sa Sunday natin guys. So, ayun, sana nakikita nyo. Parang may pimples man ako dito guys. Oy, so yun guys. Klaro talaga siya. So, yun lang ang natin. Keep safe kayo dyan lahat. And enjoy. Yun guys. Maraming salamat. Yun ang natin guys. Ito muna tayo sa bahay. Mga ilan minutes. Magiging busy na naman ako guys kasi mayroon akong puntahan doon saglit. So, may importante ako guys. So, habang dito pa ako, so, muna tayo guys. Relaxing moment and video din. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Have a good day and happy Sunday. And God bless to all guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat to all of you. And thank you so much. Happy 9.5k followers. Maraming salamat. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you so much everyone, to all of you guys. Thank you and God bless. Thank you for your support guys, supporting me. Thank you so much. God bless us.